Imagine waking up tomorrow and never needing sleep again. No tired mornings, no groggy afternoons, no endless cups of coffee. Sounds like a dream. But would life really be better? Sleep is essential for our bodies and minds. It restores energy, consolidates memories, and clears toxins from the brain. But what if humans evolved or gained the ability to function without a single nap or night of sleep? The first obvious change: unlimited time. Humans could work, create, and explore non-stop. Imagine scientists making breakthroughs in hours instead of years, artists producing masterpieces daily, students mastering knowledge without sleep interruptions. But sleep isn't just rest, but also it's repair. Without it, how would bodies manage healing, immune function, and cellular regeneration? Perhaps humans could evolve super-efficient systems, but what unforeseen consequences might appear? Sleep isn't just physical, it's mental. Dreams process emotions, help creativity, and maintain sanity. A world without sleep might produce hyper-efficient minds, but could also risk strange psychological effects, from altered perception to chronic restlessness. Society would run 24/7. Cities would stay alive day and night. Industries could operate non-stop. And global communication would become instantaneous. Would this make the world more productive? Or dangerously fast-paced and exhausting psychologically? Without sleep, family routines, leisure, and social interactions would shift dramatically.
This is amazing, right?
Yeah, I love these city lights.
So much fun.
Even relationships might change when humans never feel tired or irritable from lack of rest. Would life become more fulfilling, or lose some natural rhythm that gives it meaning?
That's so funny. I know, right? It's hilarious.
So, what if humans never needed sleep? We could achieve more than ever imagined. But at what cost? Perhaps the quiet moments of rest, dreams, and darkness are just as vital as our waking hours. Some things, it seems, are worth the pause,